Once, the world called Bangladesh a basket case. Floods, poverty, and tragedy defined its headlines. But today, it's one of Asia's fastest-growing economies, a leader in women's empowerment, and a global manufacturing hub. So, how did Bangladesh pull off one of the most underestimated comebacks in modern history? Stay tuned, this is Quickapedia. Bangladesh was born in 1971, after a brutal war of independence from Pakistan, one of the bloodiest conflicts of the 20th century. The country started with almost nothing. Wrecked infrastructure, famine, floods, and very little international faith. Some economists predicted it wouldn't survive the decade. Yet Bangladesh refused to sink. Its people rebuilt, often quite literally. The country sits on the world's largest river delta, making it one of the most flood-prone places on Earth. But instead of giving up, Bangladesh learned to live with water, building raised homes, floating farms, and warning systems that now save thousands of lives each year. Then came an unexpected transformation. With help from microfinance pioneers like Muhammad Yunus and the Grameen Bank, rural women gained access to small loans, fueling entrepreneurship at the village level. Over time, the textile and garment industry exploded. Today, Bangladesh is the second largest garment exporter in the world, behind only China. It produces clothes for brands like H&M, Zara, and Levi's. The country's economy grew nearly 6 to 8% annually for years, a pace faster than India's. Unlike many developing nations, Bangladesh put women at the heart of its progress. From factory work to education, female participation reshaped its society. In fact, girls now outnumber boys in secondary school enrollment, a quiet revolution that helped lift millions of families out of poverty. Beyond textiles, Bangladesh is going digital fast. The capital, Dhaka, is buzzing with tech startups, mobile banking, and freelancers working online for clients worldwide. Mobile payment systems like bKash are transforming daily life. The country even launched its first satellite, Bangabandhu 1, in 2018. But progress comes with pressure. Rising sea levels threaten to submerge up to a fifth of the country's land by 2050. Millions could be displaced. Yet, here's where Bangladesh stands out again. It's investing in climate adaptation like no one else. Floating schools, cyclone shelters, solar power on rooftops. Resilience has become a national skill. Bangladesh proves something the world often forgets. Poverty isn't destiny. With grit, creativity, and community, it turns survival into success. It's still far from perfect. Corruption, traffic, and inequality remain. But it's rewriting its own story, one flood, one factory, and one dream at a time. So next time you hear about rising seas or global challenges, remember Bangladesh, the country that refused to sink. If this story inspired you, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who loves hidden heroes, and subscribe to Quickapedia for more amazing stories from around the world. See you in the next video.